Ani bojo kinawea. Nigichinendam kinawam ngok. Ani nuichkenyik ebemazo in winjishing. Today, I know you're all having a hard time with this COVID lockdown stuff going on. So today, Kanzee, Cooking with Kanzee, is going to share how he's dealing with this lockdown and not being able to meet all the beautiful Nishnabek out there. He has a personal ceremony he learned from his great uncles long time ago. So here it is. Let's check it out. Miigwech. Gabajayik. Oh, there's our Kanzee. He split a log in 4, and now he's making a groove in each piece. He's measuring it, and almost looks like anger therapy to me. Look at him go. Stata. Yeah, he's pretty good with that axe, I tell ya. Nishin, good hit. Oh, look at that. It's a ledge. He made a ledge in the log. Interesting. Yeah, interesting. Let's see what he's up to. Do you know? Oh, he's on his 4th piece. Wow, that was a good hit. Oh, he's putting them together with some string, it looks like. I know what he's making. He's making a Canadian candle, or a Kanzee candle. I know this. I was told stories about this. Wow, look at that, nice and hollow. Oh yeah. Long time ago, the Nishnabek used to go fishing. They would set up these special candles or lanterns or fires along the shore so that the fishermen can see where the shoreline was. They can make it home, no problem. Smart back then, very smart. So there's the chips he gathered up. Oh, look at that, there's a canoe back there and a Dawagan. He's reinforcing it with wire, it looks like. Oh, that looks like a Leatherman wave. That's a good tool to have in the bush. He's filling it up like a cannon. Oh, look at that. Very cool. There's that Leatherman wave tool, multi-tool. Love those things. Oh, he's making a feather stick. Yeah, those things are awesome when you don't have birch bark around. Take the dry stuff from the inside and feather it out like that. Beautiful. They catch fire real fast. Look at that, eh? Nice. So that's gonna burn all the way down into, yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. String. And those gaps in between the log should provide oxygen. Wow. That's beautiful. Look at that. That looks so cool. He's feeding it from the top. Oh, here's the cooking part. Yeah. Okay. Wow. All that heat shooting up underneath the pan, heating it up. Bakakwe wawan. Nice. Very good. So this is what his great uncle taught me. How to cook with one log. Very cool. Hey, there's Grandma D. Nokomis D and Kanzee's great nephew. Very cool. Hi, guy. Hi, little man. Oh, Coco Shuias. Yum. Nizaktum Manda Kokosh. That's a spirit dish. I know it. And the little man's hungry. Good. He's gonna eat some of that. I think he likes it. Oh, there he is. He's eating more. And he's done. He liked it. Now what's Kanzee doing? Boiling water. Wow. On that little tiny piece of wood, that log. He's boiling water. And he's feeding it on the side instead of the top. Interesting. Oh, nice and warm. Yeah, gotta keep those hands warm. Thumbs up. Country beef steak with mashed potatoes. Yum. That's hiking food, I know that. Shake. Make sure it's all saturated with water. Yeah. Rehydrate it. He's making thermos. Oh, I hope that's a single wall, not a double wall. So I tried a double wall one time and it exploded. Oh, not good. Wow, that looks good. That's good. Oh, there we go. Nishin. Gijik, I see. Nwamana Sama. Minadomi Gem. Oh, that's for the ancestors and relatives who passed on. And there's that awesome panik and beef, bijike wias. And of course, everybody likes their kade mishkikiabo. Oh, minan. Wow, that's awesome. Thumbs up. Oh, it's getting dark. Sunset. What's he doing? He's doing his prayers, offering his tobacco to his relatives. Gratitude, man, that's the power. That's where the big power is. Now he's burning some cedar, Gijikan, Mishkike, smudging his drum. Yep, we gotta do that. Smudging his Devagun Mythicals. And himself, of course. You always gotta smudge yourself. Spirits love that, Gijikan, Mishkike. There's the food offering. Wow, that's pretty cool. They're gonna have a good eating, good bites tonight. He's warming up his drum so he can sing, practice his songs to his relatives, journey songs. Yeah, very important to know different songs. Wow, that was really cool, eh? Well, I guess that's it. That's a personal ceremony of Kanzee's. Very easy to do. You could do it at home too, you know, you over there. Yeah, you could do it. Nahaudish. Well, that's it for me. I'm going to bed, and I enjoyed this episode. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Kawabamin minwa. Bamapi Kazagin.